Deepavali is an auspicious festival of lights. It is celebrated from historic times for historic events. Basically, it is a victory of good over evil. It is a victory of light over darkness. It is a victory of knowledge over ignorance. During Deepavali festival, people used to lit lamps, not only to decorate their houses, but to communicate the profound truth of life. That is, the darkness within is dispelled by the light of wisdom. The good within us wins over evil. As you all know that there is a mythological event behind celebrating Deepavali, that Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshman, they all returned back after the long exile of 14 years to their kingdom, Ayodhya. And the people of Ayodhya, they celebrated and they welcomed these three personalities by lighting lamps. You know, this exile was taken up voluntarily without any reasons and without any wrongdoings. It was accepted by three of them with no any ill feelings or complaints. And during their journey, they faced tremendous difficulties, but they never quit. And during their exile, they only gave everybody. They protected the sages from the demons and saved them. They sacrificed. They loved and embraced everyone. So we all celebrate this Diwali to pay respect to their sacrifices, their commitments, their determination. They're all divine qualities. Similarly, there will be obstacles in our life. So we have to internalize and imbibe all these qualities in our journey of life. So, give and forgive, unite and unify, prosper and progress. Illuminate your inner self and imbibe all the values gradually but definitely. Once again, praying for your safe and healthy life. Thank you.